The Samsung Galaxy A36 and Galaxy A56 are coming soon, expected to launch around mid-March 2025. If you're thinking about upgrading, it's important to know what each model brings to the table and which one fits your needs better. Let's break it down so you can make the right choice. Starting with performance, the Galaxy A36 is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 chipset. This processor is efficient for everyday tasks and can handle moderate multitasking without any major slowdowns. However, the Galaxy A56 takes it a step further with Samsung's in-house Exynos 1580 chipset. This chip offers better performance, especially for gaming and demanding applications. So, if you love gaming or use power-hungry apps, the A56 might be a better pick. Now, let's talk about the display. The Galaxy A36 features a 6.64-inch Super AMOLED screen with a 120Hz refresh rate, ensuring smooth scrolling and vibrant colors. The Galaxy A56, on the other hand, comes with a slightly bigger 6.65-inch dynamic AMOLED display. While both have the same refresh rate, the A56 delivers better brightness and color accuracy, making it an excellent choice for watching videos or using the phone outdoors. Moving on to cameras, the Galaxy A36 has a triple camera setup on the back. It includes a 50-megapixel main sensor, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 5-megapixel macro lens for close-up shots. The front camera is a 12-megapixel sensor, which is good for selfies and video calls. The Galaxy A56, however, steps up with a quad-camera system. It has a 64-megapixel main sensor, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, an 8-megapixel telephoto lens for zoom shots, and a 2-megapixel depth sensor for better portrait photos. Selfie lovers will appreciate the A56's 50-megapixel front camera, ensuring high-quality shots with great detail. Battery life is a key factor, and both phones pack a 5000 mAh battery. They also support 45-watt fast charging, which means you can quickly recharge and stay connected throughout the day. This is a significant improvement over previous models and ensures reliable battery life for heavy users. Now let's discuss the pricing. The Galaxy A36 is expected to cost between $300 and $350, making it an affordable option with decent performance. The Galaxy A56, with its better specs, is likely to be priced at around $400. If you're on a budget and need a solid smartphone for daily use, the A36 is a great choice. But if you want a phone with better performance, cameras, and display quality, the A56 is worth the extra cost. Now let's take a closer look at the Galaxy A56 5G and 5 key features that make it stand out. First, the display is a highlight. It features a 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED panel with full HD plus resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. This means smooth visuals whether you're gaming, browsing, or watching content. Second, the phone runs on Samsung's Exynos 1580 processor built on a foreign process. This ensures faster performance, better power efficiency, and improved multitasking capabilities, making it ideal for demanding tasks. Third, the camera system is impressive. The rear setup includes a 50-megapixel main sensor with optical image stabilization, OIS for clear and steady shots, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens for capturing more in a single frame, and a 5-megapixel macro lens for detailed close-ups. With this setup, you can take high-quality pictures in various lighting conditions. Fourth, the battery is reliable. The 5000 mAh capacity ensures all-day use, and with 45-watt fast charging support, you won't have to wait long to power up your device. Finally, the design and build quality make the A56 feel premium. It features an aluminum frame and a glass back, giving it a stylish look. It also has an IP67 rating for dust and water resistance, making it more durable than many other mid-range phones. With all these features, the Samsung Galaxy A56 5G stands out as a well-balanced mid-range smartphone, offering strong performance, great cameras, and a sleek design. That wraps up our comparison of the Samsung Galaxy A36 and A56. Which one do you think is the better choice for you? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more smartphone updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.